Are you also running an event management company? Then this video is definitely for you, because today I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your event management company. So as an owner of an event management company, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages and inquiries from different clients, leads and customers on regular basis. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming process. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, for which I am going to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot that is going to handle entire WhatsApp messages 24/7 and also going to automate the responses effortlessly for me. So for your business, if you also want to learn the process of creating this WhatsApp chatbot, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for event management company. So as an owner of an event management company, I am receiving multiple WhatsApp messages on regular basis from my customers, clients or leads related to the event, services, pricing, etc. Handling each of the inquiry manually is a time-consuming process. Therefore, I have decided to automate it with the help of a WhatsApp chatbot. So I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot without any coding and programming skills to automate entire WhatsApp messages and automate responses 24/7 with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate all our WhatsApp messages by creating amazing and creative WhatsApp chatbots. So before moving forward towards learning the entire process step by step, first of all, I will show you that how this bot is actually going to work. Whenever someone is going to send me the message on the number of my event management company, let's say, hey, send me the details. Hi, welcome to Sparkle Events. May I know your name, please, before we move ahead? So I'm going to provide the name, let's say, new user. As soon as I have sent my name, I got another reply. Awesome, new user. We specialize in planning unforgettable events, weddings, corporate functions, birthdays, and more. As I've selected a button, request pricing, I got over here the pricing of all the events. So in this way, the bot is actually going to work. For each of the message the customer is going to send, bot is going to send automated reply. So now let's start learning the full process of creating this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for our event management company as well. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, you need to type pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser, which is going to take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are already an existing user like me, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple WhatsApp chatbots according to your business requirements. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create this WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow. So let's click on access now. It has now taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where we can find all the credits that are allotted to us, the credits that we have consumed, credits that are remaining, and the number of WhatsApp number added. If you want to learn the process of how to add your WhatsApp number, for that we have already created a separate video. I'm going to attach the tutorial of that video in the description. If you want, you can just learn that from there. Okay. Also, if you want to learn how to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, for that as well we have created a separate video, so you can just go and watch the video anytime you want. Also, if you are having multiple WhatsApp accounts and WhatsApp numbers, you can create separate folders on the dashboard to save those numbers separately in organized format. Apart from creating flows inside Pabbly Chatflow, we have some other amazing features as well that are given over here in the left side. So I am going to explain you each of the feature in brief, although we have created separate tutorials for each of these amazing features on our YouTube channel. So if you want to learn about any of the feature in detail, you can just go and watch the video from our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start with inbox. So here, with the help of inbox feature, you can manage all the sent as well as received messages at one place. Also, you can check the status of the message which you have sent, whether it is delivered or read by your customers. We have the contact section, by using which you can create separate contact list according to different preferences and requirements of clients, leads and customers, and send the messages separately. Then we have the team queue section, by using which you can assign chats to your team members with the help of round robin method. Also, you can track the performance of your team member and improve the collaboration and productivity. We have the template section, by using which you can create customized templates along with the variables to send to your customers automatically, along with the media such as video, document, images, etc. We have the broadcast section then, by using which you can send mass messages to a huge list of customers, clients or leads with the help of customized templates automatically. We have the flows, by using which we can create WhatsApp chatbots. Then we have AI assistant, by using which you can create a separate AI assistant for your business requirement. We have the settings section, where we can manage the entire settings of the entire app. And then we have the get help section. If you require help regarding any of the feature of Pabbly Chatflow, you can go and get the help over here with this feature. Okay, now after understanding each of the features, let's start creating our chatbot. For that, we have to go towards the flow section. So after coming to the flow section, here we can find all the flows that we have created for different kind of requirements. I'm going to click on this add flow button to add a new flow. Flow is actually going to decide what message should be sent next to your customers, clients or leads on the basis of their response. The bot which we are going to create is going to be based on the flow. So first of all, let's give a name to the flow. Okay, so I'm going to give the name as WhatsApp chatbot for event management company. After giving the name to your flow, you have to decide that on the basis of what you want to start your flow. As I've shown you in the beginning of the video, when I'm going to receive certain inquiries from my customer side as messages, then my flow should start. Okay, that is my objective. If you want to select any template that you're going to send with the help of broadcast to multiple clients or people, and then you are going to receive the response and then you want to start your flow, you can also do that. But here I want that when I'm going to receive certain inquiries from my customers, then my flow should start. In that case, either you can go for adding the keywords that only when you're going to receive certain specific keywords related to your event management company, such as event, party, birthday, celebration, etc. These are the specific keywords that you are going to receive. Then only you want to start your bot to respond. Otherwise, you can also add regex over here that I am going to show you. So when you are going to add that specific regex, anything which you are going to receive in the form of message from your customer or any of the user or any client, your flow is going to automatically start. So regex is actually regular expression which is going to identify the messages and identify the keywords from those messages, and it is going to start your flow every time. And here, if you're going to add that specific regex which I am going to show you, then your flow is going to start for any of the message. Okay, so the regex is, so this is the regex which you have to use. As I have entered this regex, now I'm going to move forward. As soon as I'm going to receive any message from my customer, client or lead, I want to ask the name of that person so that I can communicate with them further by addressing them with their own name and make my communications more personalized. To ask the name, I'm going to select ask question option and I'm going to drag it down like this. Further, I'm going to connect it with my flow start, and here I'm going to send them the message as, hi, welcome to Sparkle Events. I have made Sparkle Events the name of my event management company bold by adding stars both in the beginning and at the end. And now I'm going to enter. May I please know your name before moving ahead? And I want to collect the name of my client. So for that, I'm going to select contact custom field as full name. How you are going to select contact custom field? For that, you can just go towards settings. Here we have the option of contact custom fields. You can select any of the detail which you want to add in your contact custom field. And now when you're going to select that detail over here from the drop down, whenever you're going to receive the response of your customers, the reply from your lead or clients, then that data, for example, here the name is going to be added automatically in contact custom field section of Pabbly Chatflow. By using this detail, now further you can communicate automatically to your customers. Now here I'm going to select the format of the name, that is going to be text. If you want to send the reattempt chances, you can enter the reattempt number and also the validation message. When I'm going to collect the name of my customers, then I'm going to send them the options that what they want to explore about my event management company today. So then I'm going to send them text plus button message. Awesome full name. Here I have used contact custom field along with a $ to make this detail variable and dynamic, and now automatically according to the response of the customer, in the place of this full name, the name of the customer is going to appear when they are going to receive the message. Awesome full name. We specialize in planning unforgettable events, wedding, corporate functions, birthdays and more. How can we assist you today? So here I'm going to provide them simple buttons so that they can select what they want. Okay, so the first button is going to be event services. Then we have the second button as request pricing, and the third option is to talk to planner. So we have three options which I'm going to provide to my client, and for each of these three options I'm going to send separate messages. In case if my customer or client is going to click on the button event services, so then I'm going to send them text plus button message, that is, here are the event services we offer: wedding planning, corporate events, birthday parties, product launches, private gatherings. Would you like detail on any specific service? I'm going to provide the buttons for birthday and parties. The next button is going to be corporate events, and the third button is going to be wedding. Okay, then if they are going to select birthday parties, corporate events or weddings, then I'm going to send them separate messages. So if the client is going to select birthday and parties, I'm going to send them the message as, from kids' birthday parties to surprise 15th bashes, we handle everything: themes, decoration, food and more. Want pricing, info or a callback? And here I'm going to add the button pricing, and if they do not want to just go towards pricing, they want to call the agent regarding the birthday planning. Okay, we have two options over here. If they are going to ask for the pricing, then I'm going to send them the price of birthdays, that is starting at 15,000, includes venue, coordination, decor, catering, guest management, and more. Contact us for a custom quote. When they are going to click on contact support, so I'm going to send them the message as, please call us at this number for any of your queries. Okay, now here first part is done. So if the person is going to select birthday parties, they are going to get the details of the birthday party. If they want to know the pricing, we have sent them the message, and also if they want to call support, they can call us. So now the next we have is the corporate events. If the person is going to select about corporate events, so I'm going to send them the message as, we manage corporate functions, product launches, and team building retreats with precision and professionalism. Would you like to quote or more details? So here I'm going to provide them first of all pricing option and to call us. And if they are selecting pricing option, so I'm going to send them another message. But if they are selecting contact us, so I'm going to send them the message that I have sent for the number. Okay, if they are selecting the pricing option, then I'm going to send them another message as, packages start at 25,000, including venue booking, AV, branding setup, guest handling, and more. Reach out for the tailored pricing. Okay, now here we have completed the second part as well. Now if the person is going to select weddings, so I'm going to send them the message as, we offer full service wedding planning, including venue, decor, catering, and more. Customized packages are available. Would you like to request pricing or talk to planner? So I'm going to provide two buttons over here, pricing, and the second button is talk to planner. So if the person is going to select pricing, then I'm going to send them another message as, starting at 45,000, includes venue, coordination, decor, catering, guest management, and more. Contact us for custom quote. And if they want to talk to planner, so I'm going to connect this button with this message where I'm sending them the number. So as we have done that, now let's save the flow up till now. Keep saving your flow as you're moving forward to make it updated. Now we have the next option, that is request pricing. If they want to request for the pricing of each kind of events, so then I'm going to send them a brief message regarding the prices for each of the event. So here we have the message that contains the pricing for each of the events. And now here, if they want to talk to the planner for any of the event and customization, I'm directly going to send them the message regarding the number. Okay, as I've completed my flow, now I'm going to click on save. As my flow is saved and it is updated successfully, I'm going to take you towards WhatsApp and we will check whether the flow is running fine or not. So as a random client, I'm going to send a message on my number of event management company on WhatsApp. So let's say here I'm going to send a message as, hi, please tell me about the type of event services you offer. As soon as I've sent this message, I got an instant reply. Hi, welcome to Sparkle Events. This means that our bot is working. So you can also very easily create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your business, for your event management company to automate WhatsApp responses and handle all your queries 24/7. So thank you for watching the video. Not only this chatbot, but you can create multiple such amazing WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to connect us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can write it on forum.pabbly.com, and for any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. You can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free, so go and try it now for free today.